The wet, heavy snow causing a mess on tree branches and power lines. JCP&L is one of the utilities hit the hardest, with at one point 170,000 customers who lost power.
The good news is this morning that number way down, with a little more than 14,000 still without power at this time. We're joined now by Chris Honig, spokesperson for JCP&L. Chris, thanks for being with us. So first, give us an update on where things stand right now. Where are you seeing the most power outages?
So it continues to be Monmouth and Ocean counties, those coastal areas along the Jersey Shore, certainly the hardest hit. And while it's been a Herculean effort to get the lights back on for so many customers, we understand if you're one of those 14,000 that are still without power, it is frustrating. Our message to you, you matter. That's why we've continued to bring in more resources so we can get those lights back on as fast as safely possible.
So tell us about the work your crews were doing yesterday and the storm's impact on the lines.
So we've seen a lot of tree-related and wind-related damage. So we've had foresters, we've had our line crews out there working around the clock, 24 hours a day. They worked right through the blizzard itself. We restored power in a 24-hour period to more than 150,000 customers. So a lot of hard work going into this, and it's not stopping. We're not releasing resources. We're bringing more on. We're going to keep going till the last customer has their power restored.
Chris, was that the biggest issue you had, especially down in South Jersey along the coast and whatnot? Were down trees due to the high winds knocking power out?
Absolutely. Those coastal areas especially, they had the strongest wind gusts. They also had that latest turnover from the heavy wet snow to the dry fluffy snow, so it really weighed down on trees.
And if any of your customers are without power this morning, what is your message to them?
Keep safety your top priority. We're keeping it our top priority. Again, you matter to us. We're not going to stop until the last customer gets their lights back on. We anticipate by the end of today, we should be down to pretty much single no lights, we call them. Those are outages that affect just a single customer. They still take just as much work and labor-intensive repairs as multi-customer outages, but we're trying to get down to just those by the end of the day today.
All right, Chris, thank you very much. We appreciate you taking a few moments.
Thank you.
All right, we'll continue our live team coverage on this massive nor'easter throughout the morning. You can also track the latest forecast on our website at cbsnewyork.com.